You don't know. Bad man.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to show y'all how I style my braids. And before I start, let me just say thank you for liking and subscribing, because you know I speak things into existence because I know you're gonna do it. I know you're gonna do it because you're gonna enjoy this. You're gonna enjoy this. Okay, so I'm about to show you 5 styles that you could do with your box braids. Alright, let's get right into this. First style is this one that I'm rocking right now. Half up, half down. You can wear baby hairs if you like, but you don't need to. But half up, half down. It's cute. Going real poetic justice, you know, Janet Jackson back in the 90s. If you want to do it, do it. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. Right, now to the next style. Okay. So we're rocking these braids for about probably like 3 weeks now. I'm going front a little tighter because they're a little extra long. They go all the way to my booty braid. And while my camera died, I definitely upgraded my baby hairs. Upgraded the baby hairs. A scissor whoop, a scissor whoop, a scissor whoop, a couple of times. Cool. So, and the next one is going to be still half up, half down, but you can get you a little bun going. A little bun, baby bun. Going. Right here, right there. Hey, we need no scrunchie. You see that? That is so cute. You don't even need no scrunchie, girl.
I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one will be private show.
Half up, half down. This is so cute. I want to take her out. They go club. Have fun with my friends. But you ain't come next. Next style is I like wearing it to the side. This could be number 3. I like wearing my hair like this to the side because I don't like the middle part all the time. So, like this. If it gets too much, like this. I literally tie it into a bow. If I don't have a scrunchie, I have a scrunchie in my wrist, but I tie it into like a little bow. Like, it's cute. To me, it's cute. This. Yeah, girl, that's cute. It's a little messy, but it's like if you want to do a quick like situation where you don't want it in your face, you don't like being bothered. And number 4. This situation.
Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody.
Just tie them together. Turn around so y'all can see what I'm doing.
Follow me. I go give you all of me.
Either tie it.
Lovelyishy, the wine and come and wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like a sunrise. The way she move make a man cry.
We love that. That's cute.
I want
That's real. Air from sunshine. Oh, wait, up. And then, I think this might be 10. Is that number 4? I might not know.
I go give you all and more.
I don't even know, girl. I don't even
Why
know.
I'm slow? This one no be
Since they booty
private
braid,
show.
sometimes it gets kind of annoying. And nobody wants to be, you know, hands on a little bit. I'll put them all the way up to the top. And unless you got a scrunchie that's big enough to hold all this, half the time, most of the time I don't want it on my neck. So I just wrap it. Girl, you push it up and you just wrap it. You know how you wring out clothes?
You don't know.
It's the same concept.
Bad man. Yeah. These bodies
Yeah,
baby, yo. These bodies baby, yo.
I said I don't use a scrunchie all the time. All the time I have a
It's
scrunchie,
a bad man.
they walk away like a bobby pin.
Bad girl make you wine to the face, nah.
I get like this sometimes. It's just really cute.
We are go feel it, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah.
See, they long.
Very on time, yeah.
She fine. Get them eyes down. You know what I'm talking about. You could do a side pony if you want, girl. Two braids. You really want to get ratchet on them. Two braids. And up.
Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all that more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show.
See, don't be me. Don't be hello extra with all these long braids. Because you hit moments like this when you cannot find a scrunchie to go around all this. Sounds cute until you gotta put them up for work on regular household things.
She a gypsy girl, she a fine like a sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want
Like
it, I
me,
want
this
it, I
scrunchie
want
has
it, no more. That me
a base.
tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Fine I'm slow.
Wrap that
This one no
bitch
be
around.
private show. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show.
It's your
You don't know. Vicky, bad man, point instrumental, give me your one time. It's okay. Bad man, see what they do. Bad man, feel a gone away. Bad man, feel a take you there.
You wrap it around and you take a braid from the back and tie it. And then you tie it again. You can tie it once, it don't matter.
You don't know. Bad man.
Honestly, y'all, I don't even know which number style this is, but yeah, I think this is gonna be the last one. Please ignore my
It's a bad man.
But yeah, give you at least 5 styles. I'll probably give you 6, or I'll probably give you 7. But like, comment, and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Some ideas what to do with your hair. Next video I have coming up, I believe it's me doing my daughter's hair. Yeah, she got a lot of hair. It's very thick. So for all you mamas out there, stay tuned for that one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you coming to my channel. Hit my knee on that. Okay. Don't phone.